the impression is counting, my money is coming. This is the simple things you need to do, and this method is work perfectly, very easy. After 60 seconds this page will auto refresh. You don't need to worry about refresh. The viewer don't need to refresh it to give you impression. So guys, to do this you have to come in Adsterra account and collect the banner code only. See, there are so many code, pop under, social bar, but I will collect only banner code because banner code is perfectly working for live and to not irritate viewer, because sometimes pop under can disturb your viewer when they see live. So I will only collect the banner code from the Adsterra, and this is very simple. I just come into a Google Sheet. Here I write down add 1, add 2, add 3. This is a method. You just do what I am doing. This is a simple method you have to do, and this is a technical work. After completing this, you can generate so many same type of page, so many same type of content by just using this method. It's simple and you can place anything in your blog. Okay, now I just copy the ad code, banner code from the Adsterra account and paste it in here. Just simple as simple. See, and also this is also same. I'm just copying it and paste it in here. That's just simple. Every banner code will give me the impression when the live will play in my website. So see, it's very simple, and where you will get the traffic, and everyone during live, you see everyone search in Facebook, in Quora, in everywhere, where is the live link, where is the live link, I want to see live link. You need to just paste your blog here. They will come to your website and they will see your impression, and they will see your ads, and you will get impression very fast. This is the working method. So everyone earning from this. Everyone, I mean, who know the method, who know the way, they are earning by using this method. So why not you use this method? So now I am just copying all the ad code from the Adsterra and paste it in here. Now I am going to repeat it, because why I need to repeat it, my banner code already all copied, done. So now I need a live TV code, and where I will get the live TV code, it's very simple. So many live TV code you will find, but the best one is Cricket HD VIP. This channel provide a high quality live. Say Cricket HD live. So sometimes you have to choose the right link, because sometimes server for down server, sometimes problem happen, but don't worry, you can replace it another code. So many code in here. Just copy iframe their live code and paste it here. So now what we use, suppose England and India match is ongoing. So I want to share this live in my blog. So what I need to do, I just need to copy their live code. And then what is the live code? Live code means embedded code, iframe code, which will work like a API and will continue live in my website. So I will also copy the same keyword, but using a method with ChatGPT. First I need to copy the iframe the code, and this is a match of England and India tour in England. So this is also a good live for me. For my blog, I just copy it and paste it in the Google Sheet. Okay, now see, my all things is ready. I'm just going to do a secret, I'm just going to a method. Like, I have already ready a prompt. I can share this prompt with you, and this is a one click prompt. You need to just paste the code of your Adsterra in here. Just it. You need to just paste it here and done. Now the whole prompt is ready. Whole prompt is ready and whole things is ready. This page automatically refresh in 60 seconds, and viewer will not can realize it that the page already loaded, because it all things will happen in the background and all code will refresh, all impression will count in your Adsterra. Now all setup is done. I already input all things what you need to do to make a live page in a simple way with ad integration. So ad live, an impression, and money. You need to just do this. Okay, now come in the chat GPT, open a new chat and paste the prompt in here, and wait. Sometimes it takes some times to create the code. Okay, so guys, you can comment me if you have another way or you are earning. You can share with me, as like I have shared with you so many things, like 1,000 impression, 9,000 impression in just one page you can bring. I already shared this in my previous video. I am already sharing so many secret paid method also. Like every day you can get $10, you can get $5 to $8 very easily in your Adsterra account. Just you have to do technically. You can make a team also who will work for you. So now I am going to make a new blog for my live site, so that it will dedicated to live only. So what I will do, I will make a new, not new post. Now I'm going to make a new blog here. So this is the new blog, and I will give the dedicated name for the blog, like live cricket. It's perfect, live cricket. Everyone search with this keyword, and if someone see that what is the page about, this is simple. This is a live cricket page. Just take, and I need to write down the address here, like all cricket live TV, like this. Okay, this is already taken. Live TV free. This is all available. I'm just going to click it, save. So see, now my blog is ready. I need to just choose a theme, whatever theme you want. There is so many things, themes is here. You can choose as you wish. No limitation, like these themes will work, these themes, but some themes is life friendly. Like if you paste the live code, it work very well. So you just need to test it. So like test it, it's not actually good for live. I already tried it, so do not use this for live. You can choose another, already have default theme also, you can use this also. So now I am going to make a new post. I need to copy the ChatGPT code from the prompt page here. I just need to copy it, and then I need to come blogger and make a new post and just paste the code in here and publish. So what will happen, my all things is ready, my live is ready. Now the page is also ready. So what is going here, there will be the game plan. The live is going, the impression is counting, my money is coming. This is the simple things you need to do, and this method is work perfectly, very easy. After 60 seconds this page will auto refresh. You don't need to worry about refresh. The viewer don't need to refresh it to give you impression. The page will auto refresh in 60 seconds, and the all perfect code I have selected because banner is perfect for live. Also you can use direct link here, like a pop-up, like after 60 seconds there will be a pop-up, thanks for watching. Then when he click on the close button, and direct link will be pop up in new window. That's simple. And now I'm going to take the keyword from here, just copy it, and after copy I need to paste it in ChatGPT and tell the ChatGPT just refresh or reshuffle the placement to make it like a new. I do not need to direct copy paste from other side because this is not a good practice. Always avoid this. Sometimes it not a good practice, and it's not very I mean, you do not, why you copy same code from others. Just do some things and add some things from your site, and it's okay. So now see what I have did. I just give this code to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will make a new HTML formatted code for me. I just copy the code and paste it in the blog post, live blog post under the all code. I will just do this very simple work. Copy the prompt code and paste it Okay, I just need to open the code. Okay, after all div I can paste. After all div, don't worry, it will work perfectly. So I can place it in here, control B and update. Now I am going to refresh that the SEO guide is come live in my site or not. See, after refresh, okay, see the SEO guide is already in here. So this is the work, this is the simple method you can do to get impression, to earn more from Adsterra. Just share this link in Facebook, in WhatsApp, in a group, to see to like in your friend circle, to live see the live match, just come here. It's a simple way, and millions of people, if you got viral, you will get million impression. That's it. So thank you guys, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. I'm trying very hard to share you new method every day. Also, if you have new method, you can share with me in comment box. Thanks.